Hey everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and if you've ever wanted to host your own TED Talk, now's your chance using the TED Talk filter. This filter has gotten a bit of traction on TikTok lately as creators are using it to spread their own PSAs and messages out to the world. In this video, I'll show you how to get the TED Talk filter, how to use it, and then how to make some edits like adding automatic subtitles or text or image overlays in Kapwing if you want before uploading your video to TikTok or other social media platforms. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest TikTok tutorials and other video editing tips. And now let's get into it. Okay, so the filter actually is located in Instagram. So essentially you'll use the effect in Instagram, save the video, and then if you want to get it to TikTok, then just upload it as a TikTok video. To get the filter, you have to have an Instagram account, go to the app, and then to find it, click the top left corner where it says your story and has your profile icon. And this is where you are able to use effects. You want to scroll all the way to the right side to the last effect, which is a magnifying glass. Then click that magnifying glass and you'll be able to search in the top right corner. And I already searched for it before, but basically you can search for Todd Talk. So T-O-D space T-A-L-K. And it's the one with the person's face. This is a preview of it, so you can look at the preview if you want, but to get it and actually use it, click try it. Make sure you're using your front camera. And then the preview is basically you'll have around 5 seconds with the screen looking like this where you're close up, and then it'll zoom out and there'll be people clapping and like shouts in the background. In the preview, it doesn't include those noises, but after you record the video, the noises will be added and your voice will also have this like amplified effect. You can take one single video that is 15 seconds long, and then after 15 seconds, it'll start making separate videos. And in this example, you'll see what I mean. So just to start recording, just hold down the button and you'll start like this. Hi, this is Grace and welcome to my TED Talk about nothing. Yes, thank you, thank you. I know it was anticipated for a long time and I'm glad it's here and now it's over. So it recorded that one video and now you can still keep going and it'll just record it as a separate video. I'm gonna release my hand now. And you'll start like this. Hi. Thank you. I know it was anticipated for a long time. So you can hear that my voice is amplified in the back and then there's those people cheering. If you look at the bottom, you'll see that there are two videos. So the first one was 15 seconds long and then anything extra will be in the second one. So you can download both of them, but they will be separate videos. So to download, just click the one you want and then click the download button on the top. It'll say saved on the screen, and then to get the second one, do the same thing. So click that second one and click the download button at the top. So now those videos should be in your camera roll. So let's see here, this was the first one with me close up and zooms out, and then I'm still talking in the second version. So once you've used the filter on Instagram and recorded and saved your video, you can go ahead and go straight to TikTok and post it there. But if you want to do some other things like add automatic subtitles or image or text overlays or add any sound you want that isn't necessarily on TikTok, you can do that really easily by using our online editor called Kapwing. It works in your browser, so just click the first link in the description below to get to Kapwing. I'm already logged in, so I'm gonna just click to start a new project. And you can just click to upload your video. I'm just gonna do the first half with my face zoomed in. And then in the top toolbar, there will be options for adding whatever you want and making your edits. Another thing is you can resize and drag different elements easily on the canvas. So adding overlays is really easy here. I'm gonna add automatic subtitles. So especially if your video is a little longer, it's just annoying to add a billion text boxes in TikTok. So this is a really easy way to just add subtitles quickly. In the top toolbar, you can click subtitles and then go down below. You can add the subtitles line by line if you want, but I would prefer to do auto generate, and for this you need to log into a Kapwing account, which is free to do. You can even translate the subtitles, so if you speak in English you can have subtitles in Spanish or some other language. I'm just gonna have an English transcript of what I'm saying, so just click auto generate and the subtitles will start loading. Once it stops loading, it should be done, and as you can see down here, these are the different subtitles. You wanna make sure that each subtitle is correct and there's no errors, so just read through them quickly, and then if you want to edit any individual subtitle line, you could just click it and then type. You can also change the timing by just dragging the purple bars for each individual subtitle. And then you can also change how it looks on the screen. So right now it's a little large for me. I'm gonna change it and make it smaller. I feel like this makes it a little more professional and more TED Talk vibes. You can change the outline if you want, and also the font and colors. So I'm pretty happy with this, how it looks. I'm gonna click done now, and then you can preview the video. If you want to add other things, do that here. There's also the audio tab in the top here. And then once you're ready to download your video and get it to TikTok or somewhere else, you can just click the red export video button. Your video will load for a few moments and then it should be done. If you see a small watermark in the corner, you can remove that for free just by signing into your Kapwing account. And then you can download the video by clicking download. Click download again, and then go to the top right corner and click that arrow, click the video you just made, and click the bottom left corner icon, and then click save video. So now that video should be in your camera roll and you can do whatever you want with it. To get it to TikTok, I'll just show that really quickly. Just go to TikTok, click the plus button on the bottom, and then click the upload button on the bottom corner. And click the video that you just made, click next. And you can trim it, you can add sounds by clicking next, and then post it like normal on TikTok. And that's about it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with everything going on with TikTok and to receive more video editing tips. If you have ideas for other videos, let us know in the comments and we'll see you in the next one.